How to create account on Tonkeeper Ton Wallet. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create account on Tonkeeper Ton Wallet. Tonkeeper is a cryptocurrency wallet designed specially for handling Ton crystal tokens. Now if you want to create an account on Tonkeeper, here's how you can do it. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the authentic Tonkeeper application on your mobile device. Once you have downloaded it, open it. Once you have opened your Tonkeeper application, you will end up in this home page. Here in this page, you will find Create New Wallet option. Tap on this button to create a new account on Tonkeeper Wallet. Now here you will have to create a new passcode for your account. Enter any 4-digit of your choice to create a passcode. And after creating a passcode, you will have to re-enter the passcode for confirmation. After that, it will start processing and you will end up in this page. Here, if you want to get instant notifications from Tonkeeper, you can enable the notifications by tapping on that enable notifications at the bottom. And if you don't want to do it, you can just tap on that later option at the top right corner. Now you can see you have successfully created account on Tonkeeper. You can go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this wallet, and from here now you can customize your wallet. So in this way you can create Tonkeeper Ton Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.